Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks 2024 Full Guide. Start by creating a company file, enter basic business details, and set your fiscal year and tax preferences. Link your bank and import transactions to save time. Customize invoice templates and add your logo so customers recognize your brand. Finally, invite team members with appropriate access and set up backup and security options to protect your data. Managing daily tasks in QuickBooks keeps your books healthy and stress-free. Start each day by reviewing new bank transactions and matching them to invoices or expenses. Enter any missing bills and record payments promptly to keep balances accurate. Use rules to auto-categorize recurring items and add memos for clarity. A short daily routine prevents long month-end cleanups and makes reporting fast and reliable for you and your team. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly in your fridge, saving time and spills. On another note, if you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. I dropped the link and a few deals in the description so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Reports in QuickBooks give you actionable insights without heavy lifting. Run profit and loss and balance sheet reports each month to monitor cash flow and profitability. Use the Sales Tax Center to track taxable sales and prepare payments easily. Customize date ranges and filters to focus on specific projects or locations. Export reports to share with your accountant or perform deeper analysis in Excel for planning, forecasting, and tax prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.